Money can't buy everything. Just ask Billy Gibbons. Hey everyone, it's Skylar and you're watching The Music Minute. We're pretty sure his beard is older than he is, which is probably why ZZ Top's Billy Gibbons turned down a huge amount of money to shave it off. We're not joking. The singer told BraveWords.com that he and his bandmate Dusty Hill were approached by Gillette, who offered them $1 million to take a razor to their whiskers. It happened back in 1984, which means it would have been worth over $2 million today. But the guys said, no dice. Or in Billy G's words, the prospect of seeing oneself in the mirror clean-shaven is too close to a Vincent Price film, a prospect not to be contemplated no matter the compensation. In other words, don't ever mess with a man and his beard.